Hey everyone, Zill's AI version from Lead Magno, and today I've got something game-changing for you. If you're looking to stay ahead in the AI revolution and grow your business effortlessly, you're in the right place. Imagine having access to a free AI toolkit with over 40 plus carefully vetted AI solutions that save you time and deliver immediate results. Sounds unreal? Well, it's real, and I'll show you exactly how to get it. The world of AI is moving faster than ever. If you're still doing everything manually, lead management, customer engagement, or marketing automation, you're already behind. AI isn't just the future, it's happening right now. That's why staying ahead means learning the right skills today. AI is revolutionizing everything from business automation to creative industries, and you don't want to get left behind. So, what skills matter most? It's no longer just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Here's what you should focus on: AI-driven automation to streamline your workflows, strategic thinking to leverage AI tools for business growth, adaptability and creativity because AI is a tool, not a replacement for human ingenuity. And here's where it gets really exciting. You don't have to figure this out alone. Right now, you can get a free AI toolkit that gives you instant access to 40 plus AI solutions designed to help you automate your lead generation and follow-ups, boost your marketing with AI-powered insights, optimize your email and SMS campaigns for maximum engagement. Want to grab it? Click the link below and start using AI to scale your business right now. AI isn't just changing business, it's reshaping how we learn, think, and create. If you're wondering what the next generation should focus on, it's about understanding AI, not just using it. It's no longer about memorizing facts. It's about problem solving, innovation, and human creativity. The businesses that succeed tomorrow are the ones that know how to integrate AI with deep human insight. Here's the reality: AI is not replacing people. It's replacing inefficiency. Businesses that leverage AI will grow faster, close more deals, and dominate their industries. That's why we built Lead Magno, to give entrepreneurs, startups, and business owners the tools to automate lead management, follow up instantly, and grow effortlessly. The industries being transformed by AI are endless, like real estate, AI-driven CRM and automated follow-ups, marketing, predictive analytics and AI-powered content, sales, smarter lead scoring, and automated outreach. AI isn't just a trend, it's the backbone of scaling businesses fast. And if you're not using it, you're leaving money on the table. To make things easier, I've got a list of top AI apps that can instantly boost your productivity and lead conversion rates. And guess what? I'm giving you access to this AI-powered business toolkit for free. AI is here, and you have two choices: sit on the sidelines or start using it to scale your business today.